Hello everyone! Ayan, pinakaguluhan na naman nga ang IG post ni KD Estrada. Ito nga yung mga ilang comments sa kanyang IG. Still with missing talents. Ayan. Napaka-pogi naman. Ayan, motherly youth. It's hard to find the right one when everything looks good on you. You always look good and with two stylish eyeglasses on. Wow, 1962 India. We're pairs all the way. Grabe, ang gwapo at fresh ni KD. And it sis. Sobrang bagay lahat. Everything first rep. Perfectly on your handsome face, KD. That gwapo. Getting more guapo, yes, true. Looking good as always. Ang fresh at pogi mo, guys. So handsome naman yun. Oy, ayan no, grabe, ang daming pang comments. Hindi na natin babasahin lahat. Ayan, grabe talaga naman. Napakagwapo ni KD. Ayan, grabe. Ayan, punta naman tayo dito sa IG story ni Alexa Ilacad. Kung saan, pinost na nga niya yung soundtrack ng Muji K. Ayan yung laban. Ito nga yung ilang nag-comments. Manifesting this movie gets to reach your international fans. We can't wait to see it. Ayan, sabi ni Kichi Boo Boo. Love the song and the trailer. I know this movie will tag on everyone's heartstring, hoping for international streaming release so we can watch too. Ayan. Ilang tulog na nga lang, makikilala na namin si Sunny sa Muji K. Excited na nga kami, ayan, sabi ni M. Kiano.